What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video we have unboxed Realme C20 and Narzo 20. If you have not seen that video, link is given in description. Go and check out from there. So today we have Vivo Y51A. Let's unbox this. So here it is, Vivo Y51A with variant 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. If we talk about the configuration of this product, its battery life is 5000 mAh and camera is 48 megapixel rear camera and screen size is 16.71 centimeter and MRP is 22,000, but I purchased from offline store in 18,000 rupees. Let's unbox this. So here it is, a box of this product. Let's see the first side. In first side we get the transparent case of this product and SIM card key and some documents and all that. Let's keep it inside. So here it is, a phone, and in this we get this 18-watt charger adapter and this cable of this adapter and some basic earphones. So here it is, a phone. Let's open it. Yeah, so see the back side of the product. Here it is, a blue and matte color, and there are different texture in back side of product. Unlocking the phone, fingerprint sensor is given in a side. From here you can unlock the phone. I completed all the setup. Now this phone is ready to use. If we talk about the display quality of this product, it is good. And if we check the camera, yeah, camera is good. Pixels are strong because it is 48 megapixel camera and there are 3 cameras, and this is wide angle, and the front camera is 16 megapixel. If we talk about the phone, there are 2 slots of SIM cards, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. ROM version is Fun Touch OS 11 Global, and it's come with Android version 11. It's a 4G phone. Hey guys, if you are thinking to purchase this phone, yeah, you can purchase this phone. There is not any negative point, and this product is value for money, because in 18,000 rupees you are getting 128GB storage and 8GB RAM, and you can perform your heavy softwares and heavy games properly. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel.